Mung beans, green mango rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most nutritious of the veg recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the mango recipes. Today we are going to make mung beans green mango rice or green mango mung beans rice. The ingredients are 200 grams of mung beans soaked in water for around 1 hour. Now take around 400 ml of water, put in the mung beans into the water. Now cook for 45 to 50 minutes if in a pan, or around 10 to 15 minutes if in the pressure cooker. The next ingredients are around 15 shallots, 1 mango peeled and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 green chillies, 1 cup of rice. We have taken long grain rice. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep the water to boil. Now put in a pinch of salt. And let the water boil further. Pour in 5 ml of oil. And let the water boil. Now put in the soaked and washed rice into the water. Now let the rice cook for 15 minutes. The rice is ready and rice can be taken off the flame and used to make the dish further. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots. Put in the garlic. Salt. Salt until the shallots lose their pinkish color. Mango pieces. Chillies. Salt. Now put in 2 spoons of garam masala or mixture of spices, salt, salt and mix. and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in the prepared mung beans. Mix thoroughly. Mix ingredients thoroughly with mung beans. Now put in the rice little by little and mix it in. Thoroughly mix in the rice. This is the final. Green mango mung beans rice or mung beans green mango rice, and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Green mango mung beans rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most nutritious of the veg recipes and one of the most healthiest of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to prepare of the dinner recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.